What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am back at my shop and I've got a couple updates for you before we get to work. This truck, we got all of these D-rings welded in and it is all strapped in, one in the front back here, one in the back here, one in the front up there, another one back here, and one more up in the front up there. So this truck is all done. And then this truck over here we are pretty much done with. We got all the hydraulics set up. We ended up putting a new tank on here and Rodrigo is cleaning up all the wires and stuff right now, but we got all this stuff all new tank. Where's the old tank? Oh, right here. This is the old tank. So we switched everything over and it is pretty much. Rodrigo, can you turn the truck on and run everything for me real quick? Yep, right now. There you can see everything running as it should. We just got to figure out the gap here between the chain and the tailgate when that is shut, and we were pretty much done. We got to throw the wheels back on, and we're gonna throw the wheels back on, and then just finish cleaning this stuff up. You're good, Rodrigo. And then we also have a small hydraulic leak. See a puddle down there. We have a little puddle on the floor here, so we got to figure out the leak here. But that is pretty much it for this truck. Once all those wires are cleaned up, or the hoses are cleaned up, and the leak is fixed, that truck is done. We're gonna get it sandblasted and repainted, so that is a whole nother project in itself. We're gonna have to tarp the whole truck around, basically, that way we don't make a mess in our shop. But I have this machine running because we are about to throw plows on our trucks here, so I'm gonna use this chain in the bucket there, and I gotta move all these plows really. This one goes on Rodrigo's truck, which is this 5500 right here. This one goes on, I think, oh, it goes on one of the trucks that's up at our other yard. But right now I need this plow here, and we're gonna try and put it on, where's the truck? We're gonna try and put it on this truck right here. This is the truck it goes on. So basically we're just throwing everything on and making sure it all works. That way we don't run into an issue when our first storm comes. But let me hop in this machine and get everything moved, and then we'll try and get everything to work.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so front plow is on and working. We had to remake these hoses because the ones that were on it were a tad too short. We didn't have this plow on this truck last year, so the hoses that were on it were set up for a different truck, so they were only a couple inches too short. It probably would have reached, but they were just a little too tight, and you obviously don't want a tight hose, a little bit of movement and it'll just rip right out. So that is done. We have the wing on. Rodrigo went to move it, and of course one of the hoses blew out. That hose is, I don't know where he put it, but it looped around from here to here and it blew out when we went to move it. So everything got covered in oil, but we don't have the fitting that we need to make that hose. So I gotta get one of those fittings tomorrow. But that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I gotta go park the loader and the plow that I have in the middle of the parking lot. But I think that is about it. So if you guys have any questions or comments about this truck or anything you guys saw, definitely leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.